This is the banana plant which has come up together. You can see the leaves of banana and how the plant comes up together. One plant, if you grow, it will grow into several plants and it will come up like this. And once it starts fruiting, its fruits are very sweet and tasty. There are different varieties of banana available. Green banana is called Robusta. The bananas are available in different shapes. Small bananas are also available. There are long bananas and there are various uses. You can make banana chips, you can make banana curries. Banana plant is also supposed to be auspicious and utilized for worship in the Hindu mythology. So you can grow this banana plant in your garden. If one plant you grow, it will come out on its own. It will spread through its roots and it does not need much care. It will come out, so you can grow this plant easily in your gardens. This is the stem of banana which can be utilized for making curries. Inside this actually there is a white portion, as you can see in some of these stems. There is a white portion which can be used. This part inside this stem can be taken out and it can be used for making curry, and it is rich in iron content. So stem of the banana is also very useful, and you can see there are many stems lying here. Or let's see this banana plant, how the banana plant appears. Its leaves show the parallel venation, as it is very clear. This is the leaf apex, this is the lamina of the leaf, and this is the midrib. The veins are going parallel to each other, and let's see the petiole. This is the petiole by which it is attached to the stem. So banana is a typical example of plant with parallel venation and fibrous roots are present in it. So I've shown you a number of plants with fibrous roots and parallel venation, and a number of plants with reticulate venation and tap roots. So I hope you are enjoying, and stay tuned to this channel and learn about more such wonderful plants around us. Banana plant leaves, you see, they are typical and good examples of parallel venation, as veins are parallel to each other, but they are not parallel to the midrib. They are parallel to each other. Students, I think you can see these Robusta fruits, how they come in bunch together. So there are, as you can see, there are two different bunches of banana here. So many fruits, they come together like this in bunches, and you can grow them easily in your garden. The fruits of this plant are eaten, and even the flower, as you can see here, a maroon colored flower is there, that is also eaten. Its leaves are used for serving, particularly in southern parts of India, and its stem of this plant, as you can see here, this stem of the plant is also consumed by many people. It's rich in fiber and it's supposed to be very good in diabetes, and it's good for digestion. It's rich in iron, so we can grow these bananas in our garden. They will come up together like this, many plants, so you can enjoy the benefits of growing banana. You can eat the fruits, and uses of all the other parts are also there. So grow bananas in your garden and be close to nature, love nature, and be tuned to your own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel.